Who's like? Home, 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 home. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. So, Yoga Tigers, Solar Powered Humans, California, they may join me. Every day increasing time of the headstand. Those who want to perceive Samadhi, liberation. Oh, the dark retreat, like Cave Sadhana. Welcome to Dark Retreat, Solar Powered Humans, California, the creator. Wake Rinpoche, his American name, Brett Carr. No publicity, no advertisement, no selfish motives. Just to promote yoga, to serve the humanity and to take out the humanity from the marsh of ignorance, darkness. Here, your brother from India, मेरा भारत महान, आइए योग को सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, श्री वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, श्री वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। ये जैसे सिख साहबान लंगर लगाते हैं, देखिए। How in English, as in calamities, when it is disaster, COVID, our Sikh brothers, they organize free food. How free medical facilities, Like this, let's make yoga. If you really love the humanity, let's try this venture. Like Sikh Saban, let's make langar, free yoga. See. Jai Mahakal. Let's try our best to make yoga free. I salute those who have invented these gadgets. So need not to trouble people running, flying to and fro. You can easily put your best of yours on the YouTube, on these gadgets. Let it be free like sunlight. No logical, tricky reasoning. As son, again, Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, turn over the pages of history, just recent history, the evolution of human beings. He sacrificed the whole family, just for the welfare of others, to save the humanity from the evils. So here I welcome you at Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. The pious place charged with the vibes, valor, fortitude, bravery, and at the most sacrifice. Here you talk of yoga. Yoga, asana means posture, is not like merely jumping like monkeys. That's good for circus and gymnast. First, yam niyam, to go vegetarian, and then to no violence under all circumstances. It's yoga, I'm telling you. Then to stay in one posture comfortably for us together. As this is the headstand, the King Asana. That's why I'm giving demonstration of the King Asana. Everybody shouldn't go in for that unless you are prepared to follow celibacy, observe celibacy, cleared butter, and the hard disciplines. Otherwise, you will be led to the lunatic asylum, brain hemorrhage, cardiac arrest, number of psychic diseases. This is the warning, and do it in the right way, not in the mob mentality like fools, stupids. Don't be a spiritual beggar. I name here Vivek Rinpoche from California, his Brett Carr, who happens to be a director, producer of the English films, award-winning. So here is a reciprocation from an Indian yogi to an American yogi for the welfare of the human beings. And, to save the humanity. It's all God everywhere, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. But strive for the best, be choosy. Let's spread yoga like Sikh mythology, like langar. Free food. Again, I repeat time and again. Remember the COVID days. This is all God personifying himself in this brave. I'm not trying to exaggerate the statement. It's in English. और हिंदू भाइयों के लिए चले आओ. गुरुद्वारा गुरसागर साहिब, Chandigarh, near Sukhna Lake. Baba Charan Kamal, Baba Pritpal ji, they happen to be the director. Most holy people. See here. We must pay gratitude to this kind of people, you know. तो भारतवासी चले आओ गुरुद्वारा गुरसागर साहिब. बीमारियों का, डिप्रेशन का तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता, लेकिन मूर्खतापूर्वक अटेम्प्ट नहीं. यम नियम है, नशों से मुक्त हो जाओ जवान पीढ़ी. वो पंजाबी पंजाब दा विरसा आ जाओ, चले आओ. तो किवें देखो थोड़ा ब्रदर 66-67 साल दा थोड़ा ब्रदर. It's no exaggeration, no egoism, dualism. जहाँ कोई दो है ही नहीं, वहाँ egoism नहीं होता. आपे गुरचेला, be a soldier, संत सिपाही. Oh, these all the godheads, right from Jesus, Bhagavan Krishna, then your Prophet Muhammad, Mahatma Buddha, Swami Vivekananda. So we have to follow their footsteps. And Baba Nanak, करे करावे आप ही आप, मानस के नहीं कुछ भी हाथ. So this is the time, dusk and dawn. Again I take you to the track, to the point. Never miss. Those who are yoga practitioners, most welcome again. Absolutely philanthropic mission from Cave Yogi Vinodanand. Solar powered humans, California. It's a tribute to my kittens, my lovely animals in Bali. I miss them a lot. Om. Yeah, after 1 hour of headstand, you go in Kevali Kumbhaka. Suspension of breath and stops the chattering of mind automatically. So this is how we stop the chattering of mind. Not necessarily headstand, but non-violence, service to the humanity, detachment, all these things, qualities automatically induce in you. As the Archimedes principle applies, the boat, the ship, they start floating. So follow the disciplines, rules, you automatically get rid of all depression, anxiety, diseases. No use trying different diseases, you know, one by one. It never finishes. So here, video may not be so long. Let's come down. Om Jai Mahakal. Wow. Let's see. Jai Shri Krishna. Mahakal. Satnam Shiva Guru. Oh, Mahakal. So wild. So here we go. Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib. near Sukhna Lake. Welcome. ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵੀਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਛੱਡੋ ਨਸ਼ੇ ਨੁਸ਼ੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਭਾਈ ਦੇਖੋ ਯੋਗੀ इट्स अ वाटर बबल लाइफ बहुत थोड़ा सा समय है चक्के फूक देने शमशान में सी आई रिमेंबर माई मदर्स डे इट वॉज यस्टरडे इट वॉज मदर्स डे अब वो माँ नहीं है देखो पिता नहीं है हम भी उसी धुंध में खो जाएंगे so before that what life is what death is so yeah let me show you the marvelous view of yeah there you are here is Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib see this wow gold plated निशान साहब हैं देखिए यहाँ पे oh you can hear the melodious voice of Gurbani and this side oh this area is surrounded by the jungle oh pythons you know peacocks.